Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox FPS Drop. So first thing first, come below at the search bar, type in Device Manager. Open your Device Manager and select System Devices. Expand it, select High Precision Event Timer. Right click onto it, select Disable Device. Once you're done, close this. Now for the next step, come below at the search bar, type in Edit Power Plan. Open your Edit Power Plan, select Change Advanced Power Settings. In here, select Processor Power Management, double-click onto it, select Minimum Processor State. Make sure this is 5%. Under Maximum, make sure this is 90%. So make it 90 and then apply and then close. Now once done, here is the last thing that you should do. If you have anything in your recycle bin that is no longer needed, go ahead, delete everything. For that, right-click onto your recycle bin and empty your recycle bin. Once done, restart your device, open your Roblox, and this shall fix your problem. If it helped, hit like and subscribe to our channel Techmates. If you want guaranteed answer to a question, join our membership today. Members get priority responses to comments. The link is right down below.